Welcome to the first course in our device qualification series, GMP Device Qualification. This course is designed for any quality assurance or quality control professionals who are working as a part of a team or planning on working in teams that manage the device qualification process. This course will take approximately 1 hour and has an assessment quiz at the end to get your certification. Every medical and pharmaceutical company will use certain devices during the life cycle of a product, from manufacturing to quality control and other activities. Every piece of equipment used for product quality relevant activities must be tested and verified, also called qualified, to ensure that the devices, its functions, and other properties can be trusted and reliably used. By the end of this course, you will be able to clearly identify and define GMP device qualification, understand the difference between qualification and validation, describe the different regulations, standards that govern device qualification, and understand and explain the different stages of GMP device qualification. So if you are looking to step into this field, make sure you add this course to your My Uni and get certified. This course could be your step into a new job and potentially a higher paying and specialised career.